First of all, the reason why we create lead magnets is the exact same reason why we do everything in our business. It's because we have this very deep passion for serving a niche group of people. So I wanted to create something that I knew would be really helpful for female entrepreneurs who are still struggling with getting out there on social media. And I wanted to create something better and simpler, and simple is the key word here, than anything I've ever created before. So that's why I've created these 25 new videos. The other reason why is my client load has been pretty much at max capacity for 2 and a bit years now. So I'm not necessarily out there on social media trying to get clients. I don't have room in my calendar for more clients. I want that, ready to go email list of people that probably want what I have to offer them. So I want to be of huge value. I want to serve. And of course, I want to build that email list so that if and when I do have something that's not free to offer, I can send it right out there to those people that I'm pretty sure already want it and need it. So let's get into Mailchimp. Mailchimp is the tool that's completely free. You can pay for it. At this point, if you have over 500 contacts, you're going to have to pay for it. You're going to be able to set up a completely free automated email that goes out to your new email subscribers while you're sleeping, while you're walking your dog, while you're having a beer on the patio with your girlfriends. Once you have set up your free Mailchimp account, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see that there is a free version and you have to click continue free. So if you were still stuck on the original page thinking you had to pay for it, just keep looking for the word free. And then when you sign up with your name and your email address, after that, you'll come to a whole bunch of windows where they're asking you to select an option. But at the bottom of all of those, you'll see the word skip. Just keep clicking skip, 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 skip. All right, let's set up your sign up form. Down here under audience, you'll see you have to click on it for the little drop down to pop up, and you're going to click on sign up forms. And then when you scroll down, you'll see that you have this one form that's already here. This is, to my knowledge, this is the one free form you get. So we're going to click edit. If you create multiple forms, I'm pretty sure you will have to upgrade to the paid version of Mailchimp, but for sure, you get one free form. At least that's what it looks like to me. I've been using Mailchimp since 2014 or 2015, so 10 or 11 years, and holy smokes, has it changed a lot. But this little section that we're in right now, this is pretty much the same. This has not changed since I started using Mailchimp, and for that I am grateful. There's a whole lot more you can do with it than this, but this is so cool because it's completely free. So you'll see here that you've got your sign up form, and we're going to start with that. And then we're going to work through creating that automated email that goes to the people when they click submit in this sign up form. So this is your little link. This is your link that you're going to embed in the sign up now button on your website, or the free gift button, or whatever you're going to do. This is the link that brings them to the sign up form. Okay, so in the form builder, you're going to decide what information you're going to ask from them before they get this free gift, or they get to join your email list. If you do have a free gift that you want to give your new email subscribers, it could be a link to a hidden YouTube video, like an unlisted YouTube video. It could be, a downloadable checklist that's in a PDF format. It could be a hidden page on your website that you're sending them to watch a video, or to look at a checklist that's embedded on your website. Whatever that is, we're going to do that after we create this form here. So when you click somewhere on this form, actually, no, you have to click on design. So click on design it. And then when you get down here, you'll see that you can edit this section up here at the top. So you don't really want it to say your own name or your own business name. What I usually do is put an image here. And so you click the little use image button, and then it allows you to upload an image. Make sure the image is wide, more of a banner style. You can use a square image. However, on desktop, it'll be quite large, and they might have to scroll to see the fields. So I like to use wide images at the top of forms, because really we don't want them to stare at the form or think that there is no form because all they can see is an image. We want to get this information and get them on our email list ASAP. People are busy, so don't make them work really hard to get on your email list. Okay, so when you click on one of the fields, any of these fields here, this section on the right pops up. So we're actually going to click on hidden next to birthday because we don't want the birthday field to come up. So we're going to save it after we've hidden it. And then we're going to click on the email address. And as you can see on the top here, it's required. That's not, you can't change that for the email, but you can for the first name. So we want to make sure that they have to enter their first name. Maybe you don't care about their last name, but I want it because I usually Google people and find them on the internet if I don't know who they are. And so the first name and last name are there. You can add more fields, but we're not going to get into that in this video. Let's just say all you're doing is asking them for their name and their email address. And I think you can change what this button says. Anyways, we won't get into that right now. So that's done. We've saved that. Now we're going to move on to what happens after they click submit on this form. And if you're curious to know what it looks like and you want to change things about it visually, you just take this, this link here and you put it into a new tab just to see what it's going to look like when it's live. So there it is. Super boring. Once you're paying for Mailchimp, you can remove this little Intuit Mailchimp button, but you're hopefully going to put your your face at the top. What I like to do is a little logo with my face beside it. So 2 little circles. Sometimes it's an image of me, like a wide, branding image with my logo on it, something like that. All right. So the other thing is, if they're going to receive a free gift from you, you want to mention that in this little section right here. So you want to say, in this little box, you want to say, enter your info and I'll send you 5 quick marketing tips with examples. $500 value. There. So that'll go into this little section here. So they know what they're going to get when they enter their info. All right, let's move on to the next phase. Okay, now we're going to move on to what happens after they've submitted the form. So now we're going to go down here to the confirmation thank you page. And this is what they're going to see immediately after they have hit the subscribe button. So we don't want it to say that. So we're going to say, you're all set. Head over to your email inbox to get your free gift. And save and close. And then the continue to website button will work if you've entered your website when you set up your account. Okay, so the last thing we need to do is edit the email that they're going to receive when they, when they complete this process. They're going to get that email with the free gift. So it says that it's from you. It says your email address. It says subscription confirmed, but we don't like that. We want to say your free gift is enclosed $500 value, or whatever value you said it was on the first page. And this is where you're going to, once again, say, and this is where you're going to embed something. So let's just say you're going to embed, oh wait, got the caps lock on. Click here to download the 5 marketing tips with examples. So this is one way to do it. And then when you select the click here text, you click this little link button, and instead of sending them to a web address, you could just like embed a downloadable PDF. You would click the file button if that's what you're doing, or you could put those 5 free tips on your website on a hidden page that only people know about who've subscribed. And that, of course, is great for your SEO, for your search engine optimization, because more hits on your website and the more time people spend on your website, the more your search, your findability, I guess, on Google is naturally increased. So that's what I would do. But if you don't have a website, obviously, put your PDF here and then you're done. Voila. Now, I like to also add a little bit of info. I usually like to put a different image of me that they haven't seen before. Sometimes I like to tell a little story here and offer a paid thing as well and say, hey, if you love this free gift and you want to learn more from me, I have a couple one-on-one coaching spots available. Let's hop on a free call and see if you're a fit or something like that. So that's the email that will go out to them automatically with a little bit of like it'll also say like all the info that they gave you in the form, and it'll have your email address at the bottom. So make sure to put something juicy up here because we don't really want it to just be one line. Put something juicy up there, make it awesome. Test that your form and automated email work, and that link that you embedded in the automated email works. And then you actually put this link out there on the internet. You can text it to people. You can put it as one of the links in your Instagram bio. This little baby right here is pure gold, especially for those of you who don't have a website at all. And as you can see, there's a little QR button here that allows you to embed a QR code to this sign up form in different places. We've got your link. We're just going to pop it up here and we're going to test it. And then we're going to check and make sure that that automated email comes through. Don't use the same email address that you used to set up your Mailchimp account. Use a different one, and then you're going to be off and running. So this is how you grow an email list. And I also update the free gift that I'm giving away on a regular basis. Right now with the 25 free videos, you can actually go and sign up to receive additional support and tips and examples that go along with those 25 videos. And this is the system that I'm using to grow my email list. All right, I hope you have a really great day and we will see you real soon. Bye for now.